Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of fashion and luxury. It's a renowned French fashion house, founded by a visionary designer known for his elegant and sophisticated style. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Givenchy, Givenchy, G, Fan, She, Givenchy. Givenchy offers a wide range of products including haute couture, ready-to-wear, accessories, and fragrances, all characterized by impeccable craftsmanship and a contemporary aesthetic. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Givenchy, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.